So a wee union rim cylinder here, sent to me by Crispy Bear off YouTube, so feel free to check him out. He sent me the rim and it didn't come with a key, so what I ended up doing was I picked it and then I was too scared to lock it up again, so I just kept it unlocked till I was able to get down to the locksmith's a couple of days later, and I then picked up a key. In fact, I picked up this key. Obviously it was just a blank at the time, made it fit. Thought happy days, cleaned all the edges off, filed it back a wee bit more, put the lock in, didn't check it still worked, and went like that. I was like, oh crap. So I ended up having to actually almost bump it open, just like that. And that was how I managed to get back into it without having to pick it a second time. And then this morning I got this blank, made this one work. As you can see, it's perfect. So anyway, I might as well show you the bitting while I'm here. That's the bitting there. If I hold it that way, maybe understand it a bit better. This is where the real hassle of this lock comes in. Pin 5 so low by comparison to pin 4, and it's just getting up over that without oversetting that one. It's the main challenge with this one. So we'll put it in the vise and we'll see how we get on anyway. There you go, nice and snug. Double check it still works. Yep, grand. Right, so using my my custom tension wrench again today, and I'm also going to be using this sort of a bizarre shaped reach pick type, and the purpose of that there is just it's the only thing that really lets me get right back into pin 5. Now I didn't actually have this whenever I first picked the lock, but I can't for the life of me remember what it was that I picked it with. Otherwise we'll try and use that there, but might as well try and make life a bit easier and go with this one. Right, so wee bit of movement in the core there. I'm just trying to arc that in just right over and get the pin 5. Let's see if I can get that. Let's see if I can get that one set. Come back over without mucking up pin 4 too much. And work my way back to the front. So here you go, pin 1. I think that was pin 2 settling in. 3. Well, no, 4. Back forward. Let's see if I can get this. Alright, so everything's feeling pretty solid, so must be missing something. Just working away at that midsection, pin 2 and 3. There we go. It's open. So I think that was pin 3 or pin 4. I'm not quite sure what I touched there, but just one last pin needed a last wee nudge to get home. So set that down there. I'll zoom this in, see if I can give you a bit of a better view. Right, so take this apart. So it's 2 flathead screwdrivers, or flathead screws, sorry, not screwdrivers. So that's one out. Second one, and then that's the retaining clip at the back. See, I'll grab my follower here. It should fit nicely there. That should catch the driver pins without dropping the key pins. Yep, sorry, keep that in shot. So that's that there, and then let's see, move this forward. Right, so pin 1, pin 2, 3, 4, 5. Straighten those up now a second. So there you go, you can see a wee bit of a counter milling on the top of the core there, just creating that wee lip for make it a wee bit more tricky. Let's see if I can get that focus back. There we go. And then I'll take this, and if I can find my tweezers, sorry. There we go. Oh, where'd he go? Sorry, I'm trying to look through the camera lens here, and it's much more difficult than just looking at it in front of you. Driver 2. I'll give you a close up of these here in a wee second. Number 3. There you go, standard. Number 4. These aren't the best tweezers for reaching right down into the back of a lock. In fact, I'll let 5 just spring out, and then let's see, I'll just dump it down here. There we go. So number 5, that's much easier than trying to fight with it. Right, so I'll straighten these up. I'll bring in for a closer view. Fingers and thumbs today. Right, there you go. As you can see there, between pin 5 and pin 4, there's quite a significant difference. So that's what the issue is. Then reaching over the top of that there to depress that one while oversetting it. So there you go. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Bye.